Okay, so I need to get a ham sandwich and an iced coffee for Alia, and some cookies and a cup of tea for Justine. Okay. Hi! Can I have, Next! Hi. So, first, I would like a cup of tea. You want milk? Oh, yeah. A cup of tea with milk. That's $4.50. No, I'm actually not finished. You're not finished? Yeah, I'm not finished. What else do you want? I would also like an iced coffee. A coffee? No, an iced coffee. A coffee with ice in it. What else do you want? I would like hold on. I forgot. You forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Okay, so Justine wants cookies and a cup of tea, and Alia wants an iced coffee and a ham sandwich? Okay, so can I please have a ham sandwich, an iced coffee, a cup of tea, and some cookies? Yes. Okay, that's 10:30. Okay, here's your cup of tea. Thank you. Your ham sandwich. Thank you. Here are your cookies and your coffee. Thanks. Oh, what? Well, there's no ice in this coffee. So, can you please put some ice in this coffee? Here. Thanks. Have a nice day.